The Explore One HD action camera comes with a set of straps that lets you mount your camera onto your helmet without the need of any stick-on accessories. Now I am going to be using a multi-sport helmet, but you should be able to do this just as easily with a bike helmet as long as it has some ventilation holes in the top so that your straps can go through them. So for this you're going to need your base mount, and you're going to thread your straps through to the side like this, making sure that the clips are on the top side. Center it onto your helmet. You're going to take the side of the strap that doesn't have the clip on and thread it through the front hole of the helmet. Flip your helmet over. Now the trick here is to twist the strap once and then thread it through the back hole of the helmet. Twisting the strap underneath will stop it from bunching up on the top side of the helmet. And to close the strap, you're going to first thread it from the top to the bottom, and then from the bottom to the top, just like this. Okay, then do the exact same thing on the other side, threading it through the first hole, flip it over, twist the strap underneath, and then thread it from the back hole. Again, close the strap first by threading it from the top to the bottom, and then from the bottom to the top. Pull on both sides of the straps to make sure that they're nice and tight and snug, and keeping the base mount in the center of the helmet, and then close down the clips on both sides to secure the straps. And you can just tuck away the ends of the straps into the back holes just like this. Take your camera together with the outer case, pop in your short thumb screw, and then just slide it into the base mount until it's clipped in nice and tight. Be sure to check out all my other videos that show all the other accessories that were included with the Explore One camera.